thanks for joining me. Well, like I said, I have talked my husband into letting me share his office downstairs. And my past office, which was just a desk in our bedroom, has been a great thing to have over the time being until I decided, hey, I'm going to just turn this into a vanity. Why not? It just started turning into a place to put junk, and it's just annoying now, and I want something pretty. I want a place where I can sit and do my makeup. I'll show you guys here in a second what my previous makeup area was that I kind of Billy Joe bobbed into like a little vanity area. But I'll be taking this space and you'll see a nice little video of the final project. So yeah, all my junk and pictures. So here we go. Welcome to my closet. Yep, my closet. This was a little area I had set up in my closet, which was my temporary vanity space until I figured out what I wanted to do or how I wanted to create a vanity. And I had so much stuff, it just started to take over, and just, yeah, that's a pack of value pads down there, but yeah, don't mind that. Gotta buy bulk, got teenage girls. But yeah, it just started accumulating and accumulating until I just was like, you know what? Why don't I just take my bedroom desk and turn it into a vanity? So this is all going to get organized and taken out of my closet and into my bedroom. So let's watch this transition. Gosh, so much stuff, guys. So much stuff. All right, so I'm back. I have my final layout and everything's organized somewhat of my new vanity area. So I love it. I really do. Let's take a look. So I have my little things here. Here's all the little Dollar Tree containers and stuff. I have my eyelashes and stuff in here. Oh. Okay, yeah. And I have some shadow shields in there. See, that's the way it was supposed to close. I have wipes and I don't know what those are, iPads or something. And some other products and some stuff that I made that I need to shake up. It's like yeah, that was really fun to make. Maybe I'll do a video on that. And yeah, so, and then my little cotton balls and stuff. And of course, we cannot forget the lights that I received on Amazon. And you can turn them on with the flip of switch. And there they are. Super bright, guys. It's so bright. Like, literally, like, it's lighting up my hand. It's really nice. So, just to let you guys see. And they also dim, too. So, that's a bonus. If you hold the button, well, you can see that I put 2 of them up. So now you can see that's just 1 row up there on, and then here, that's both of them, and then we're gonna dim it. And that's dimmed. And then we're gonna come back up. And then that's fully bright. So yeah, guys, I love it. My little desk, repurposed. I have my little things in here. All my little sponges, more containers that I got from Dollar Tree. and my individuals. And let's see what's in this drawer. Facial masks and more crap. And these things I told you from the last video, I love those. So yes. Also, this little mirror, I love it. Magnifying mirror. Got this from, oh, it's dirty. Got that from Amazon too. But yeah, there it is. And finished product. And this is the bigger mirror, which I didn't want to get at first, but I'm glad I did. Thanks so much to my husband who talked me into getting it. All right. So yeah, it is doable, which this is just a little writer's desk and all the little trays and stuff from Dollar Tree, mirror from Home Depot, lights from Amazon, and you can make yourself a vanity. And my baby's calling me, so gotta go. Bye.